This is tutorial 97, the second tutorial in Weldments. The first tool in the Weldments toolbox, you will find the 3D sketching tool. So the 3D sketching tool is not only with Weldments, you also find it in other places. For example, in the sketching here, if you start the sketch, you have 3D sketching. So 3D sketching is, now it is, we worked with that before, but this is the first time I am using it with a tutorial to show you how to use it. So the 3D sketch, it is different than the original sketch. The original sketch, you are creating two-dimensional sketch in one of these planes. For example, let's make a center point rectangle. So you are able to work in this plane. That front plane, it might be the y-x plane. So you're not able to move in the third dimension. But if you want to make another, you want to make a table, for example, and you want to make legs, so you need to insert another plane. So for example, you can go to the feature plane and you want to insert a plane parallel to that line. So let's find a parallel plane. So in this case will be the right plane and this line. So, and we can make it parallel here, and then okay. So we inserted a plane here, then you can insert a sketch on that plane, normal to, and insert two lines. Two lines here and one line here, and they are equal. So exit the sketch, and then the same process on the other side to create that table. So you can imagine how it is kind of many steps to work with this 3D table, but here came the 3D sketching work. So it makes this job more easier because you are able to create 3D sketch in 3 dimensions, but it quite needs some attention when working with it because it is kind of, you need to control the direction. So let's delete this sketch first. Let's exit this one and delete two sketches and start with 3D sketch. So click on 3D sketch, or from a sketch here you have 3D sketch. So now we are in the 3D sketch mode. Let's select center rectangular. We need that to be in the y-x. You can look at the compass here to have an idea in which plane you are drawing. So now we are in the xy plane. So as we remember, when we created a 2D sketch, it was on the xy. And a second thing, when you want now to draw a leg, so they will be in a different plane. They will be in the zy plane. So in that case, you need to change that plane by clicking on tab. So now we are in the zy plane. So you are able now to insert the table legs, and can add, or you can add an equal relation to them. And now let's move to the other side. Select line. Now we are in that plane. Make sure that you are parallel to the axis, and then one line here, so you can see it is parallel to the axis, and again you can add equal relation to them. So you see, you created that table in only one sketch, which called the 3D sketching. So if you want to work or make this sketch on the 2D sketching, you will see it is require many steps in certain planes and so on. So you created that table in a matter of few minutes.